Assalamu alaikum students, Zahra Hashmi here, your social studies teacher. I hope you're all doing great and having fun during vacations, but I hope you're studying as well. And in today's lesson, we're going to read another page from unit number 1, Rafi's family. Let's do a quick recap. Rafi, the birthday boy, received so many presents. Shirt from Mama, bat and ball from Baba, a book from big sister Tanya, and a hug from little brother Zan. Lovely. Dada's present was a surprise, wasn't it? And it was such a lovely surprise. Dada gave him a bag and a boy, and Dada told him that he can put the bag on his back and go exploring with the boy. And when Rafi asked Dada where can he go exploring, Dada told him that he can explore the room and look for Dada's glasses. Now he's exploring the room and looking for Dada's glasses. He looked under the table, on the chair, on the table, under the chair, but glasses are nowhere. And Rafi is wondering where are the glasses? Now we're going to read page number 5. The secret. Secret is something which is between two people and no one else knows about it. So we're going to learn about a secret. Let's start reading. Where are Dada's glasses? Asked Rafi. Look on his nose, says the boy on the bag. Rafi looks at Dada. Dada's glasses are on his nose. Rafi looks at the boy on the bag. Can you talk? He asks. Shh, says the boy on the bag. It's our secret. Don't tell anyone. Then I can help you to explore. Wow, the boy on the bag can talk. The gift from Dada is really very special. And we will learn about the adventures of Boy on the Bag and Rafi in the next lectures as well. And today I have a small homework assignment for you. I want you to explore your bedroom and draw a picture of your bedroom. So, your bedroom might look very clean, like this bedroom, or it might look a bit messy, like this bedroom. You have to explore and find out that are the things at the right places where they're supposed to be, or they are at the wrong places. Explore your bedroom, draw a picture, and I'll be looking at your lovely pictures once you come back to school, inshallah. And if you have any questions or any queries, you can also write to me and I'll get back to you. Have a fabulous day.